Since their very first Hero camera, GoPro have been ahead of the game with their action cameras. With a focus on video quality and ease of use, every iteration has been improved upon the last. And today we've been given a chance to check out the newest addition to their range, the GoPro Hero 7 Black. Now the box looks very similar to the one we got last year, except for this little metal Hypersmooth badge. In the box we get all the usual accessories, like a couple of different helmet mounts, and GoPro even include a 32GB microSD card from SanDisk, which is awesome so you don't have to buy one. So as we saw in that little badge, GoPro's big focus this year seems to be on improving their stabilization. The video resolutions and frame rates have stayed similar to last year's. 4K 60, which is amazing, 2.7K at 120 FPS, 1440p at 120, and 1080p at 240 frames, which allows you to slow down footage to 1/8 of its original speed. So quickly off the bat, the touchscreen UI has had an update, and the experience is much better. The Hero 6 worked, but it could feel a little sluggish at times and lag. The Hero 7 feels very responsive, and you can quickly change between resolutions and photo modes and get straight back to your action. Some other quick features on this camera: it's waterproof without a case up to 10 meters. It can take 12 megapixel stills with the new super photo feature, which intelligently applies HDR, noise reduction, and local tone mapping. You can live stream to Facebook, it's got face, smile, and scene detection, and you can even shoot vertically if you really wanted to. And of course, it still connects to the GoPro app on your phone. But what you really want to see is that Hypersmooth stabilization. So let's compare this to the Hero 6. This feature only works on 2.7K and below, and it's amazing. I'm running alongside Harry here, everything's handheld, and it is definitely a big step up compared to the Hero 6, which did already have pretty good stabilization software. But the Hero 7 is able to remove all those little micro shakes that can get quite overwhelming sometimes, and really does live up to their claim of gimbal-like stabilization. Basically, in our quick testing, we're really impressed with the Hero 7. Colors were more saturated, the image was sharper and smoother, and even the mic quality was surprisingly good for an action cam.
I'm here with my boy Eli. We're skating. Check out this new futuristic skateboard. Look, it goes in all directions.
Wind noise was reduced and voices sounded clear. So if you're in the market for an action cam, this is the one I'd recommend. It's without a doubt the best camera GoPro's ever made, and the quality you can get off a camera this small is really impressive. You can check it out yourself, either in-store or online at pbtech.co.nz. I'm Eli from PBTech, and I'll catch you next time.